This stylish machine comes in a grey and white design and gives makers instant compatibility to a wide range of Sizzix embossing tools and dies. Its A4 size opening now allows the use of plus size dies, ideal for cutting larger shapes as well as 3D items. With an ever-growing collection of dies, including plus designs available, there are limitless possibilities for home decor, paper crafting, quilting, applique, fashion and more. Let's take a look at the Big Shot machine in action. So because it has an A4 size opening, it can be used with plus dies like this one we have here. If you take a look at your platform, you will see instructions indicating how to use each technology. For thinlits, we're going to need adapter A. Start creating your sandwich by putting down the first cutting pad on top of the adapter, followed by your material. For this example, we're going to use cardstock. Place your thinlet face down on top of the cardstock. And finish your sandwich with the second cutting pad and run this through the machine. Once you remove your thinlet and the excess cardstock, you'll see you're left with a beautiful pillow box net. You also have crease lines for folding. Now we've seen how the thinlets work, let's have a look at embossing folders. With the Plus machine having a wide opening, we're able to use A4 embossing folders. From the instructions on the platform, I can see that to emboss, I need to use adapter B, and adapter A needs to be removed for this. As with the thinlets, the embossing folder needs to be sandwiched between the cutting pads, with the paper placed inside of the embossing folder. Once you've created your sandwich, run through the machine. And there you have it, wonderfully embossed and debossed pillow box. Now let's have a look at how the Big Shot Plus cuts with Big's dies. The Big's technology includes a steel rule blade inside of the foam which cuts through a multitude of materials such as paper, card, chipboard, leather, craft metal and many others. When using Bigs, you only need the cutting pads, so we can remove the platforms for now. As before, create a sandwich with the Bigs. For this example, I'm going to use felt as my material. Place the felt on top of the Bigs and sandwich between the cutting pads. Then run this through the machine. And as you can see, you're left with a perfectly die-cut shape.